Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Monique and Escon made a request in the comments for Stanley Black & Decker. Thank you Monique and Escon for the suggestion. Let's take a look. Stanley Black & Decker is a S&P 500 company within the tools and accessories industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 6.1%. Earnings growth, 8.1%. Earnings estimates, 10.77%. Return on capital, 10.09%. Debt to free cash flow, 46.6 years. Share buybacks, no. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.28%. Payout ratio, 26.8%. Growth rate, 6.04%. Growth years, 53 years. Wow, it's a dividend king. That gives Stanley Black & Decker 7 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at this company for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Stanley Black & Decker is modestly undervalued. What's your thoughts on Stanley Black & Decker in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a stock request in the comments regarding future videos. Also, please consider subscribing and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.